how light was created. In the book of Genesis chapter 1 verse 5, before creation, the world was formless and void with only darkness upon the face of the deep, and only God's Spirit was moving over the face of the waters. On the first day of creation, God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. But the light, made up of the sun, moon, and stars, was created on the fourth day. And God saw that the light he created the first day was good. He then separated the light from the darkness to create day and night. He called light day and the darkness night. The light was to distinguish between the seasons, days, and years. Hence, the reckoning of the first day.